Heading for London town. Heading for London town.
During's a cloudy day, as I'm lying there wide awake, awaiting the things to come. The world looks so cold and grey, and all the stories remain the same. But I keep holding on, 'cause thoughts of yesterday are slowly drifting from my mind, and words too hard to say will vanish in the mist of times to come. Today, 'cause we're heading for London town.
Heading for London town. Heading for London town.
The train takes us on its way, driving us to Calais, so many miles ahead, with Dover still out of sight. We know it won't take that much time before we get there. Ashford, our first stop, passing by the bleak old houses, chimneys rising up, and the rain tapping on the small square window panes. Today, while we're heading for London town, we're stepping up and find the city that won't sleep, where there's music everywhere,
Music everywhere.
foreign tongues and people singing in the streets, and we'll leave them here as we are getting back. You ask me if I would care to give up the home we share and leave all we have behind, but you don't need my reply, as we slowly realize that you I used to think that the best was to come yet, and that my dreams helped me biding my time, feeling strong with the days getting shorter, but something kept me away from a clear, thoughtless mind. I read the words from the message you sent me, I read them over and over again, and still I don't realize what just could be. But the future would be right in the palm of my hand. So call me again, 'cause I can't find the answers that lead me somewhere. So call me again to make me forget that it's lonely out there. Hey, you drink your coffee while I tell my story about times when life was not on my side. We talk for hours about the musical glory. We've got so much to share and nothing to hide. And though it seems like we're two complete strangers, it feels like we've been for a lifetime there. And then we find we have so much in common, but we're struck by the past and the scars that we bear. So call me again, 'cause I can't find the answers that lead me somewhere. So call me again to make me forget that it still seems so lonely And while the days go by, you take some time to make up your mind. Thoughts can leave us weak, but let's wait for them to change when I call you again. So call me again, 'cause I can't find the answers that lead me somewhere. So call me again to make me forget that it's lonely out there. So call me again, 'cause I can't find the answers that lead me somewhere. So call me again to make me forget that it still seems so lonely out there. I hear so many different stories about the things that love can do, about the beauty that lies within the heart, within the words, meaning I love you. But love makes you fall down to pieces. Love can tear your whole world apart. It brings out weakness and makes you believe in something you won't have. And I can't live with that. So tell me what I feel if I would hold you. If I could walk the road that leads straight to your heart, would I find another soul that has been broken? Or will I find someone who would not go that far? Sometimes I wish I was your lover. Sometimes I wish I was the one that you would lean on when there were dark clouds getting in your way to chase away your sun. But I can only keep on dreaming till one more night turns into day, till all my feelings will choose another path, another sun, another lonely way. So tell me what I feel if I would hold you. If I could walk the road that leads straight to your heart, would I find another soul that has been broken? Or will I find someone who would not go that far? There is just nothing between us, and I know this will never be. lived in this dream in which I thought so much to give, never enough, but all I would ever need. But now you're here to make things right, to clear my path, to be my guide. It's all that I ever need. And when I lose track of it all, when I seem to stray, you take my hand and break my fall. So what more would I have to say? Together we have found our way. That means a lot, I guess, these days. You're all that I ever need. Please let me be with you. I don't want to lapse into old cliches, old sweet words so often said in many songs from former days. But what would have been if we'd never met? Together we have found our way. That means a lot, I guess, these days. You're all that I ever need. Please let me